Divisibility by 9. Rule: a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Clearly, you can see that this rule is similar to the rule regarding the divisibility by 3. For example, 4725 is divisible by 9, as 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2, with a remainder of 0. On the other hand, 54,178 is not divisible by 9, because 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 25, which is a number not divisible by 9. Indeed, 25 divided by 9 is equal to 2, with a remainder of 7. The calculator confirms these findings, as 4725 divided by 9 is equal to 525, and 54,178 divided by 9 is equal to 6019.7777. It is obvious that a number that is divisible by 9 is also divisible by 3. That is all for lesson 1.6.9. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.10, Divisibility by 10. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.